HHS Secretary of Health and Human Services Xavier Becerra is on a tour to reassure women that they will indeed have access to reproductive health care. He says he's proud to be back in his home state, his home city, protecting those rights. Our Devin Truby was at the roundtable in Sacramento. There's Devin. She's live with details.
Hi, Walt. Yes, Becerra said that he wanted to talk today because he feels that he's speaking to a generation that's always had these rights protected, and now without certain federal protection, he wanted to give assurance that the federal government will step in. Becerra told us that if there is a way for him and his department to get involved with privacy protections for both patients and the provider at the federal level, he will enforce those rights. Access to medication abortion or medication that a woman has had for a long time, they want to preserve access to those rights as well. Also, for women that must travel to California, they want to be supportive. They don't know exactly what that looks like yet, but it is their intention. We asked Representative Becerra about constituents' concerns that California is simply taking on too much in terms of providing services and financially.
Fortunately, we have a budget surplus here in California, and I think we will continue to look at the congressional level of ways to provide additional support and funding to the states that are providing full access.
Despite a majority of states currently looking like they will not extend protections, Becerra believes that if California goes first and can prove that this will successfully work, others will follow us, Walt.
Okay, that's Devin Truby at the round table. Devin, thank you. The next step is to reach out to other states and access like Oregon and Washington, and hopefully they would be able to combine resources if that's what they choose to do. There are also conversations about involving New York and also Illinois.